Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in for a quick visit. Today we are going to have a look at a couple of finished diamond paintings and an unboxing of one I got at Christmas time. Yeah, it's been that long, but so the ones, these ones you've actually seen these guys before. These are the ones I bought in a set of four, and I finally finished them. I had like three and a partial done, like clear back at Christmas time, and I didn't want to show them until I got them done. And they are so stinking cute. And they all came from the same place, obviously, because they were in a set of four. So there's that cute little guy. These ones are 20 centimeters by 30 centimeters, which kind of equivocates out to just a hair under 8 inches by 12 inches. And I've been kind of fussing with myself. There's that one. This guy, I actually have him also in a, let's see, he's like a 46 centimeter by 60 centimeter, which is just almost 20 inches by 24 inches. I have this one with that on a ginormously big canvas. Oh my Lord. And he's a square drill. And I'm not real sure I'm thrilled about doing that, but I guess we'll see. So if he turns out even half as cute as this one, other than the fact that he's like twice as large, I think we'll be okay. But I love this little guy. And pardon the cat hair. Like, oh my God, there's cat hair. I don't know how I managed, but yeah. So then there's this one, super stinking cute. But I started to say, I've been arguing with myself how I wanted to frame these, and I kept thinking maybe I I love how they look. They're so cute. I kept thinking maybe frame them each one in their own little frame, and then the more I thought about it and actually looked at them for size, it was like, no, you know what? I don't think I'm going to frame them each by themselves. I think I'm going to put them in one great big frame and have a mat cut to go around so that I can put them all in there together because, they're the cute little snowmen. And at Christmas time here, we were thinking we weren't going to have any snow. And all of a sudden, we got snow after Christmas, and it came in with a vengeance here in Washington State and has actually stayed. So it's kind of scary, but super, super cute. Here was one last quick look at him. So super adorable. And like I said, these ones are just under 8 inches by 12 inches. And I had them all finished, except this little guy I had about an inch done down here on the bottom. And I needed to finish the rest of it. So I sat down the other night and actually finished it. But super, super cute. So those are my finished ones. And like I said, this guy is one of the ones that I need to get working on. I think I'm going to do this one next, and he's the big one that is 46 by 60 centimeters. So square drills, yeah, my nemesis, but I think I will do it. And only in preparation because I still have this one to do. This is the one that I ordered from, what's it called? Diamond Painting. What is the name of that country? Paint with Diamond or country. Really? Really, Goldie. Company. I can't talk today. This one came from Paint with Diamonds, and it is 100 centimeters by 50 centimeters, which is 40 inches across and 20 inches tall. And it's square drills, and you can see that it is actually super, super dark. The drill filled, surprisingly, is really super easy to read, which is really nice, but really dark on that one, and boatloads of drills to do on that one. So now to the unboxing, since we discussed all of that. Now to the unboxing. I ordered from a company at Christmas time called Diamond Art Club. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with them. Probably most of you are. But this is the box that it came in. It's a pretty good size. Diamond Art Club. And you'll see it's like having a heck of a time fitting it all in there. And the shipping label's on it right there. So, but there's that. I kept thinking, okay, it seemed really, really like hollow, honestly, when I got it. And it was a little weird, and I was like, okay, well, whatever. But I did discover that, because I didn't feel like there was any weight in it at all. But I did discover that when they packed it, they packed everything wrapped with this paper around it. So they did a really, really good job, which kind of made me chuckle, because I thought, is it just floating around in there? Or what? But when I actually got it out of the box and opened it up, I discovered that this is the package, and it actually had this lovely plastic wrap wrapped around it. It does say Diamond Art Club, and really, really well wrapped. And I thought, well, that's really nice. So I wanted to see what was in here, and so I opened it up. Now, here's the thing. Diamond Art Club always shows their pictures, and I will put that information down in the description box below. And for those of you that are new, don't forget to check that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you don't ever miss out on any of those little updates and stuff with my channel. And if you are new, thanks for visiting. Hang on, I'm trying to get this out of here. Thanks for visiting. And to all of my regulars, thanks for watching. So yeah, so I had to open it up and look, and I've already inventoried. I do know that all the drills are here, and you can see, well, maybe not because of that light. Their colors on this one are really super dark. Super, super dark. And just as a quick little peek, you can see that everything is wrapped, already bagged, numbered, super, super nice. They are DMC floss codes, which is fabulous. And the drills seem super, super clean and really, really well made. So I didn't find hardly like any junk at all when I was going through inventorying to make sure that everything was here. So I kind of really appreciate that. Pardon that, you guys know. That's actually a good sound when we hear that. But so here's the canvas. This is what you get. It's all rolled up. Everything's great. Honestly, I think there was a styrofoam tube in there, and I think I probably pulled it out. But it wasn't wrinkled until I opened it and had to fuss around with it a little bit. And I know that I wrinkled it partly. But I do know that they do flatten out really, really great. Now here's where I was going with what I was saying. So anybody who's ordered from Diamond Art Club, if you look at their pictures, they show a clear tray, a clear craft tray, and a blue colored pen, and a heart-shaped wax pad. And I have to tell you, I was a little disappointed when I opened this package up and found this, because that's kind of what I was looking for. I kept thinking, you know what, somebody's done something different. You know, everything's there, the baggies and all of that. So I was a little disappointed, honestly. Now, I can honestly say that the canvas kind of made up for that, which is great, because it is this, and like I said, pardon the fuzzies on that, because that's been at my house and it was Christmas and up against my robe and whatnot, and I've got a fuzzy flannel robe. But the lint roller actually takes that right off, which is great. Their canvases for this company, for Diamond Art Club, they are absolutely phenomenal. They have that lovely edge on there. And if you look really, really closely, see if we can get that in there so that you can see. Can you see the sparkle on the canvas? And it does say, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. But look at the sparkle on that canvas. And it feels fabulous. Absolutely beautiful. And if you just work with me for a sec, I will give you a picture and show you what we did, or what I ordered. So that's fabulous. Back to this thing while I'm crying about it. Throwing a fit. So, like I said, I was a little disappointed when I got this. So I sent them a message and I was like, what's the deal? Everybody that I see, and I see them on Instagram, I see them on Facebook, and they're all using that blue colored pen with the blue little grippy on it. And it actually shows when you're looking to order and you want to order in their accessories. You can go to their website, and in the accessories, I'm clicking on it right now, and click on accessories and their toolkit. It's $4.99. It's got 5 stars, 78 reviews, and it says there's a clear craft tray with a funnel, the magic applicator and comfort grip, the heart-shaped wax, and the zip bags. That's what comes in the kit. And it's blue with the clear craft tray. So I'm throwing a hissy going, what the heck, Paid for my picture. I was expecting that just for something different. You never know. So I sent them a nice message, and I was very nice. I was just kind of curious, what's up with that? Is that just a standard thing, or is it just for photos? And like literally just bam, back comes the answer. Serious apologies. They were like, no, it had to have been one of the older canvases. And like I said, seriously apologizing, and please check and make sure that I had all my beads, blah, blah, blah. And almost like overnight while I'm reading this email, this comes in the mail with a serious apology. And they were still apologizing that she didn't have a blue grip to go with the blue pin. But how about that bag? And it is so much nicer than that. Seriously heavyweight. Tells you the contents. Magic grip applicator, comfort grip, wax pad, and craft tray. And even all the information there on the back with the Diamond Art Club and telling you that the code number so that you can actually order this, which is really, really cool. And I sent them back a thank you that said, thanks for that. They didn't have to. I appreciated it. It was more out of curiosity than anything. And so there's the grip. Should have been blue, but that's okay. Snazzy blue pin. And for whatever reason, I've got a fuzzy on there that just won't come off. The baggies. Lots of them. The clear craft tray. Oh my gosh. I just can't get past that clear craft tray. And the ever popular heart shape. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Now, initially, I will say I was a little disappointed, but pleased that they are willing to make sure that their customer gets exactly what they're advertising. And like I said, I wasn't throwing a hissy per se just because I know there are a lot of people that do, but it was more like, I wanted what was in the picture that I was buying, and I was just curious if it was going to be one of those things that only, just for advertisement purposes or what, because they do have affiliates, which is great. So there's always that. Part of it, like I said, part of it was because of the affiliates. If it's something that, and I think they had, I'm trying to remember where I was looking at just to make sure that I'm not like whistling zippity doo out my own ear. Like for wholesalers, that sort of thing. So that if somebody wanted to do that, and my thought is that, what, if I'm going to step out on a limb and do something like that with a company, and I don't mean that's what I was planning on doing. It's just, because I have done things like that in the past. I've had my own business, multiple businesses, in fact, in the past, over the course of the years and whatnot. And it's like, you want to be advertising that product the way the company is advertising that product so that you can have that. So now I'm like rambled for a moment there, but so here we go. This is the picture that I ordered. This is called Time, and it is, the one that I ordered is, it's 40 centimeters by 56 centimeters, because you can get these in different sizes as well, and I absolutely love that. So now you can see why the colors of the drills were as dark as they are. But In inches, that's just under 16 inches by 22 inches. So you can see this is actually a pretty good size canvas. And it does have the DMC floss codes on the side. The drill field is amazingly easy to see, which is fabulous. And I'm still, still trying to get over the shiny sparkliness of the canvas itself. So, like I said, if you look at that, and see if we can get it up here so you can actually see it. But look at how pretty that is. Very sparkly. And right down here on the bottom, check out our selection at diamondartclub.com and use Bigger is Better for 15% off your next purchase. And down here in this little corner right here, look what that says. Lifetime warranty. If you lose a diamond or your artwork is damaged, it comes with a lifetime warranty from Diamond Art Club. None of the other companies do that. And, you know, I'm sure that there are some that do, but I don't know that there are very many of them that have it advertised in very sparkly canvas that you can see. So I absolutely love that. And like I said, I had this rolled out at Christmas time, and it was just as flat as could be. And they're designed so that when you actually get it laid out and you do your little lift, like we all do, and flatten that back out, that it flattens out amazingly fast, because it seriously does. And everything, when it came, it was less wrinkles than it has right now. So, you know, these wrinkles are on me, not on Diamond Art Club. So anybody who's been resisting ordering from this particular company, don't resist any longer. You want to jump right in there and get yourself one, because when the new things come out, they go seriously fast. And the quality is absolutely phenomenal. And like I said, they are velvet on the back. And these little fuzzies that you see are not from the company. That is from me. Like I said, had a kind of a fuzzy flannel robe at Christmas time. And so that's where those fuzzies came from. But an absolutely amazing company. And I will say I apologize again to the company for being such a whiner about the toolkit. But like I said, I was just expecting what I was expecting, and I was a little disappointed when I got that. But the cool part is as opposed to that not being in there and the company just sending it, or there be some sort of delay, they made sure that I did actually have something to work with that was there, and that was fabulous. And she made sure that I did have what comes in all the new kits. So that's what's supposed to be there. So on all of your new diamond painting kits, that's what you get. That's what's supposed to be there. And I think that is phenomenal. So there you go, guys. Enough with that. Enough whining. Enough crying. Thanks for watching. And like I said, remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell. And all the information on everything for these kits and all the links will be in the description box below. So don't forget to hit that more info down there to show more. So thanks y'all for watching. Bye now.